Better pay attention. Better pay attention. Expedition.
Expedition.
It's expedition, sir. Okay. Expedition.
Expedition, sir.
Very good. Today is your last day in a police Nigeria Army Soldier College. I've been teaching you how to be a policeman for a very long time. So today we are going to learn how to shoot gun. What did I say?
We are going to learn how to shoot gun.
I don't say I say how to shoot gun. Okay. You know people become policemen still the summer. If you want to collect money na good, na so you go say give me 20 now. Before you talk down, person where you want to collect money from don't go. Or tell she. It's how to shoot gun. What did I say?
How to shoot gun.
Okay. You see, state is the target. That's the target. That bottle is the target. Okay. You understand? So if you want to shoot it, you just look at it like this. You fire. You understand?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, take. Fire it. All day. Now so if na thief wan shoot us like this, na so thief go run away. You see thief for that place, they shoot thief car.
Na my eye dey close.
Your eye dey close. Why you no open your eye? Shoot the bottle again, make e break. Say you say no get sense.
Na because I never chop breakfast now.
And you no go shop throughout this week. Come on for here. Make I show you how to shoot gun. If you want shoot gun like this, you see the way I hold am.
Okay.
You see my leg?
Don't to go down.
I know to go down. Now you want to teach me this what they call balancing. You go balancing. You can't do like this. You know why I do like this?
Why?
In case the person I want shoot one run go like this, the bullets go follow am. You understand? But you got calculator because the person fit can't go run like this. So if now if you know sure of where the person won't go, you go can't do like this. Your two legs. So if you shoot and sit now, the person want run go like this, bullet go follow am. If you want go like this, bullet go follow am. You understand what I'm saying?
Say the bullet get map.
No, the bullet they use 35 or the bullet they use 35. You can see it.
Okay.
You can't do. You no touch am. You see, that's life for you. Life is a repercussion because as you no touch am now, you will die again. It's not like It's not like I don't want to shoot it. Okay. I can shoot it, but I need to teach you. It's not every time that you target. And you get it. Now look.
I don't learn.
This second one I go get am.
Okay.
You no touch am.
No touch am.
Na the gun don expire. That's another thing I need to teach you. If gun don expire like that, if you shoot thief, you no go touch am. Like you no touch that bottle now. But no worry, we go do the training later. Now if thief dey pursue us, you understand? If you wan dodge bullets, no, you no fit dodge bullet like that. If you go dodge bullet like this, you go meet your ear. You go meet your mama for heaven one day. You wan dodge bullet, you go. Good. Your own too dey much. I know say make they do crazy man. You don dey do jacking. No, you just go. You see am? Very good. You make it. Make we go road. Make I go show you how to block bullets.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Inspector what?
Yeah.
Very good. This is like a battlefield. You understand? So if thief is not pursuing us now, if you want to shoot him, there's a way you can dodge it. You understand?
Okay.
No, they shoot gun, not there. Don't kill me. I just you go down to gun. I don't tell me you shoot gun. Go do it. You see the way I dodge am.
Eventually.
Oga, are you okay? Are you okay?
What? You are mad, Oloshi.
No worry, Oga. You will make it.
I can't have my